Hello, welcome everyone. In this question it says 1.5 times 10 to 4 kilogram railroad car moving at the 7 meter per second to the north, so it is the positive, collides with and stick another railroad car of the same mass, so mass will be same, that's moving in the same direction, 1.5 meter per second, so it's also positive. What's the velocity of the joint cars after the collision? Joint means final velocity same, so m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial equal v final times m1 plus m2. So v final will be m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial over m1 plus m2. So first mass is the 1.5 times 10 to 4, and it is velocity 7 to the north, so it is positive times 7, plus second mass, again the same, it says 1.5 times 10 to 4 times its velocity 1.5 over m1 plus m2. They have same mass, we can make it like 2 times 1.5 times 10 to 4 directly. So V final will be 4.25 meter per second. So it's positive, so to the north. Thanks for listening.